Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Netflix app on your TV and signing into the correct profile. This ensures your subtitle settings stick to the right account. Once playback begins, press the remote to reveal on-screen controls and look for the dialogue or speech bubble icon. This is where subtitle options live. Make sure your TV firmware is up to date and the app is the latest version. Outdated software can hide controls or limit subtitle features. Now choose Audio and Subtitles from the playback menu. You'll see available subtitle languages and audio tracks. Select the language you want, then, if the app exposes customization, change text size, color, or font to improve readability. If there's a separate captions for the hearing-impaired option, turn that on for more descriptive text. Remember that not all devices offer full styling. If customization is missing, the language selection still applies immediately to the current playback. Finally, confirm subtitles display while the show plays and after pauses. They should persist for the rest of the title. If subtitles don't appear, first close and reopen Netflix, then restart the TV. Simple restarts resolve many display bugs. Make sure your profile language isn't overriding subtitle choices and that the title actually has subtitles available. If problems continue, check the TV's accessibility and closed caption settings and verify your internet connection is stable before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.